Hi guys, it's Sophia. Welcome back to my channel, Paper Sweets. Thank you so much for joining me today. Hope you're having a great day. I am back to share another new collection from Fancy Pants Designs. This one is Beachside Boardwalk Collection Kit. And this is a quick little view of what's included in the kit. You get 12 by 12 double-sided cardstock papers, really nice thick quality papers. You get 2 each of 6 designs, and a 12 by 12 sticker sheet that has 80 pieces of stickers in this collection. And the price for this on the website is $16.99 for the collection kits. They are on sale right now. There's 30% off of all the collection kits if you use coupon code COLLECT30. So COLLECT30 will get you 30% off of all of the collection kits on the website, and that's fancypantsdesigns.com in their shop. And I'll go ahead and go through the collection kit first, and then I've got some additional items that you can purchase separately that go with this fun collection. Super vintage, retro. I never know which is which, like retro or vintage, or are they the same? But definitely like a vintage vibe on these. I love, I really do like all of these graphics. So cute, right? Like 1941. I love this. So cute. So this one is, I'm going to start letting you know what each of the papers is called. They do also, you can buy the paper, 12 by 12 paper sheets separately in the shop as well. And this one is Seaside Summer. And the back of this is, or are these fun swimsuits that I could totally see Fussy cutting these out. Super cute and fun. So there's that one. And then we've got this one here with more, gosh, I'm going to call these retro. This is retro to me. Graphics. I love this. The ice cream sandwich there. And just ice cream cones. And you know, all these fun like light up signs. So cute. I really love this. This one is Ice Cream Calling. And here's the back side of this with lots of frozen treats. Oh my gosh, I am going to have a craving for frozen treats, ice cream after this. And here's more like postcards or vintage photographs. From like the fairs with the Ferris wheel in the background. Just like fun times. Carousel there. Look at this one. So how fun is that? And here's the back of this one, which has just lots of vintage tickets and ephemera. You could totally fussy cut those out. And this one is Beachside Boardwalk. And on this next one has more of these cool signs from way back. Look at that, like looks like a magic lamp, like an Aladdin magic lamp type of thing. The barber shop. So this is fun. Sassy Casino. Super cute. Okay, so this one is Signs Point to You. So I am just seeing these two. So sorry if I get a little distracted. I like want to take it all in. So I opened it up and just sharing it right away. So fun. More like county fair. Fun photos and postcards. This one is Roller Coaster Rewind. And here's the back, some fun stripes. This would be cute to do a layout of like an amusement theme, like outing or photos. Some skates. How fun are those? Umbrellas. This one is Sunshine Day. I like that. This is fun. And here's the 12 by 12 sticker sheet for the Beachside Boardwalk. So I'll try to get these all in frame and not move too fast. I was looking at my last two videos, guys, and I'm sorry. I feel like I wave it around. I was making myself dizzy. So super cute. Love this. Love this little record player and the skates. Everything really. So these are some fun stickers. So love that. And then here are some of the other items that you can pick up that match the collection. This is a 52-piece ephemera package, and these are $5.99. So there's two. You get this one here, which has lots of like tickets, tags, and that kind of thing right here. And then this one here has 102 pieces, and this ephemera pack has more of the, you know, like the designs, not quite so much tickets, but, you know, the swimsuits and umbrellas, the little poodle there. Cute. Skates, a nice vintage car there. So there's that. I will take these out and go through them really quick after this. The enamel stickers, 60 pieces, matching colors, super fun. Love these. And these are $4.99, I think. Yes, enamel dots are $4.99. And then here are the foam stickers, which I love. You get 39 pieces. And then I'll kind of try to go slowly so you can see them all. So there's that. And here's the back. So cute, right? I like the colors. They're a little more muted, like they would have been, I think, back in the day. But still really fun. Here's that cute poodle. That looks like a lifeguard chair that would have been, you know, out at the beach. Beach umbrella. These fun skates. Lots of little ones in this one. Soda pop. Love these. So cute. The car. I mean, you could even make like a Father's Day card or layout with this. How fun. How fun would that be? So, you know, these are all like the graphics that you would see from back then. I love it. Little surfboard. Day at the beach. I mean, even if they're, this would just be cute for any, you know, summer layout. Swimsuits. Here is a crab. Cotton candy. More swimsuits. Lots of ice cream treats. Popsicles. More soda pops. So lots of cute, cute stuff. Oh my gosh. Little beach chair. Okay, guys, you get the idea. You get a ton in this. So many. Love this. Ice cream. The ice cream van. Stay True Love. Little banner flag. Vintage camera. That cute radio. Very girly, right? But I think there's some masculine elements too. But this would be cute for like a girlfriend layout. Girls' night out. So cute. Love this. So that's that one. And let me go really quick through these. I'll try to keep them separate. But this one has all like the vintage tickets. And ephemera like that. Atlantic City Boardwalk. Sun and Sand. So yeah, you get the idea. Lots of cute stuff. Wow. I like this. I don't think I have a collection that's quite as like retro, fun, like fair and all, like this. This is pretty unique. I like it. I like it. My gosh. So cute. All right, guys, I won't go through each and every one of these. There's a lot of tickets, ephemera, labels, tags. Super, super cute. It's got all sizes too. You got some big ones, some smaller ones, just all kinds. Some in more muted colors, some more bright. There's that ice cream sandwich. So cute. And some of these vintage photos. So fun. So I'm loving this collection. Okay, guys, so that's pretty much it for the Beachside Boardwalk. And like I said, they do have, there's a discount code right now. If you go to fancypantsdesigns.com to the shop, coupon code is collect30 to save 30% off all of the paper collection kits. And I also have a separate discount. You can save 10%, and I've been giving the wrong one out in the last couple videos. So it's actually Sweets09. To save 10% with my discount code. So that's SWEETS09, and that will give you 10% off. I'm not sure if those can be stacked, if you can use the Collect 30 and the Sweets 09 to save more, but you can try. And that's it, guys. I'll be back with the last collection share, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for stopping by. I'll see you in the next one. Bye now.